Hello people, a quick tutorial. If you wonder how to resize gizmo axis in 3ds Max, there's option in customize preferences. We have gizmo. You can turn this on or off. I will resize up to maybe 47 to check how large gizmo is. Because sometimes it's a lot easier to manipulate when you work inside this program with this maps. When you move this square, this means that you only move a point up or down, so you don't move to that direction or that. Depending what axis you are moving vertex, but if you are from this side, you only move up and down vertex. I like very much using square when I work with, for example, points. You can slide vertices, but I don't want to talk about it, but I will quickly show you. Because I'm modeling tab inside the 3ds Max, so I wanted to show you how you can change the size of the gizmo. I know it could be better if they added that option somewhere else, not here, because in Blender seems to be easier. I hope you like this tutorial.